Have you ever thought about the bacteria in your food? It's not something we usually think about, but the truth is, we can find different types of bacteria in the food we eat. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common bacteria that cause gastrointestinal diseases and what we can do to protect ourselves from them. Bacteria are tiny single-cell microorganisms that can be found all around us and even inside our bodies. Although most bacteria are harmless and some are even beneficial to us, some can cause diseases in people. When it comes to our food, there are many types of bacteria that can make us sick. The most common gastrointestinal diseases are caused by Salmonella and Campylobacter bacteria, often found in raw poultry or beef. If meat is contaminated and not cooked properly, the bacteria in it can cause infections. To protect yourself, always wash your hands before handling food. Always cook meat thoroughly. It's important to clean any surfaces that have been in contact with raw meat before handling other types of food. E. coli. These bacteria can be found in raw ground beef and raw fruit and vegetables. To protect yourself from E. coli infections, cook the meat thoroughly and wash fruit and vegetables before eating them. Listeria. These bacteria can be found in ready-to-eat foods like deli meats, unpasteurized soft cheeses, and cold smoked fish. To protect yourself from Listeria, store these foods in the refrigerator and eat them before the expiry date. By following these simple steps, you can reduce the risk of getting sick. Cook your food thoroughly. Wash your hands and surfaces that come into contact with raw meat and other raw food. Wash fruit and vegetables before eating them. Avoid contact between raw and cooked foods. Store perishable foods in the refrigerator. Eat ready-to-eat foods before the expiry date. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure that the bacteria in your food won't ruin your next meal.